Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Elijah coming at you with some trade reviews for today. After yesterday, I noticed I'm still in this kind of revenge mode. Thankfully, I'm only trading 1x. So let's see the one good trade I did today. The one good trade was right here on HD. If we zoom in here, I go long here. I thought, this ain't gonna work. But then I see it's holding this moving average, so I go long. I partial just a bit, just in case it doesn't break out. Knowing what I know now, I would have not done that. But yeah, I get out most of it here. This is a nice move, 215.30 to 217.50. I had like a tenth left, and I just was gonna see if it was gonna go to 218. It did not. So that's that. The only other real good trade I had today was another one on HD right here. Boom, boom, boom. And that was that. And you see all this mess? That's just me over trading, trying to do something that's, trying to force things. And that's the thing right now is I've been here before where like I have a really bad day and the next day is bad but not so bad, and the next few days are pretty bad. So I got to step back now because I was up today. I was green, but then, I pulled back and now I'm in the red, and I just got to stop trading, and I got to get back to, maybe reduce my size. I got to get out of this mindset of revenge trading because it's costly and it never works. So I got to psych out my psych by actually reducing my size or even going to the sim. And then my psych will be like, what? What's going on? We got to get revenge. We can't get revenge like this. And I'll be like, well, that's right. You got to calm down and stop thinking revenge, psych. That's right. Okay, so that's all for today. I just want to show you that one HD trade. That was a good trade, but the rest are bad. They're so bad you don't even want to see them. So I'm not even going to show you. That's how bad they are. That would mess up your trading. That's how bad they are. No, I'm just playing. They're not all that bad, but it's just a series of tiny losses. But anyway, have a good one. Thank you.